Hi guys, today this is the beginning of my channel, so let's begin. Oh, okay, so I'm student. Before we begin, I have two game passes. What is it called again? I have the chocolate energy and also get Bali early because I just need those I don't know season passes, but I want to get respawn forever. I don't know what's the point of that. I want to get the fidget spinner. It seems really cool. It just seems really cool. So yeah. Also, I'll be an enemy one time. I'll be Bendy later. So let's just begin. So the point of this game is so you have to collect the 7 books and then you have to escape. Kind of like Feed the Facility, but it isn't. It's basically like the real game, but a little more easier. You get respawned and I like this picture. Good artist. I like to support the artist, and if I know the name of this artist, I will tell you guys because I like to support some people, and I want some people to be sent viral. Okay, don't go inside there because it's gonna be a secret area. Oh, and don't go in front of Baldy because he could just automatically kill you. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, wait! The bully. Oh, that's arts and crafts. No, playtime, playtime, playtime. Okay, please don't say that's me. Is that those people said bowling alley over there to me? Oh my god, I will literally kill them. No, I can't see. Okay, so that's time. Playtime. If you're behind me, oh my god, I will literally kill you. Oh, and let's just get this. This is a secret area, so there's a weird wall color type there, and yeah. Where is it? Oh, I love this one. Oh no! Ah! I hate you! Sum minus 2 equals 5. 2, and let's just go 1-1. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, no, I hate this dumb guy. Can you go? I hate this guy. Oh my god, playtime. Can you shut up? Okay, just to tell you, this game is so noisy. Like, oh my god. And this video is 3 minutes. Okay. So, yeah. So I'm actually with some people, my friends, my cousins, basically anybody. Oh my god, where are the books? Oh my god, I need to support this artist. I forgot how to do it. Oh my god, I don't know how to take this screenshot. But oh my god, please don't be the principal. Please don't be the principal. Please don't be the principal. Please, please, please. Oh, you're so. Oh. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, I like to support this artist. The drawing is so nice and so cute. I know it isn't like that good, like as design-wise, like it's really good design-wise, but like how like display. It's not that good, but I really love it because any cute pictures, I always love to support them. Oh my god, I hate when this does with my computer. I cannot stop. It's so annoying. Oh, I never know. I never saw this. That's how you just get. Hey! Oh, get into the body. No! I hate you! Okay, let's just introduce. Good developer makes good games, and this is any of those guys. He is the dog in that was past. Funny, great teacher. I hate you. Principal. Uh, so the most annoying people is Playtime, Baldi, and maybe Arts and Crafts. But Let's Drum is okay. Bendy needs to spend like 1,000 Robux, so I'll buy it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it yet because it's just a bad idea. Okay, so I'll just respawn and put it in my inventory. Okay, there's no, oh my gosh. Okay, Robux, please. So after this game, I'll be leaving and going, ooh, oh, come on. Hey, you okay? Oh. Okay, I swear there's no Baldi because I haven't seen Baldi once. I think this server is horrible. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes worth of a video. Oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna go reset. I can't reset. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I'll see you guys next time. This is my first video. So bye. Sorry if the noise is horrible. Yeah. Bye guys. Okay, before I end this video, I need to leave the game. Okay. Thank God.